Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So, man, oh man, all I could say, guys, is, hey, your boy tried to tell you, I don't care what's going on. I don't care how crazy inflation has been. I don't care how much the Fed say they trying to hike interest rates. I don't care what Biden's doing. I don't care what war going on. I don't care who got COVID. I don't care about none of that. The market is not going to go down forever, and we're not going to continue to trend down without no type of crazy blowback to the upside. And like I told you guys, it was coming. We done had a solid day on Monday. I ain't hear nothing from the haters in the back. Solid day on Tuesday. Didn't hear nothing from the haters in the back. Solid day on Wednesday. Didn't hear nothing from the haters in the back. Of course, this was unexpected though, guys. Like I said, we was waiting to see how the feds would come out and how the market would react afterwards. And we knew they could have changed expectations, but they went with exactly what was expected. They raised rates by 0.5%, guys. So you know what this means. Everything is much higher now. When you go out to get an auto loan for your car, you're going to pay much higher interest rates. When you go and get a new credit card, you're going to pay much higher interest rates. When you go and get a new house, you're going to pay much higher interest rates on the mortgage loan. You're going to pay much more on interest, guys, for everything. The cost of borrowing money has gone up. So you guys see exactly what's happening. And the feds, they normally would have raised rates by 1/4 percentage point, but due to the fact that inflation is gone, out of the roof, guys, and they trying their best to help tame inflation, and they could have raised rates more aggressively, but Powell came out and said they will only be raising. He said that the Fed isn't considering raising rates more than 0.5 point per meeting, sending stocks soaring. So they considering not to raise rates no more than 0.5 point for every meeting, guys, and they will continue to raise rates even more. This isn't it. They will be continuing to raise rates even higher, guys, because of the inflation. Inflationary pressure will force central banks to continue raising rates in the future. So, guys, we seen how the stocks went crazy today, right? Like I told you guys, it's not much more they was going to be able to do to bring the stock market down much lower. And we know if we wouldn't have got that, if we would have kept momentum from this morning and didn't have that choppiness, that weirdness, that crazy trading session we had today, just as yesterday, just as the day before. But I can agree that the day was even crazier. How we shot through the roof this morning, shot right back down very hard right before the announcement of the feds. And then it could have possibly went down even harder. I'm pretty sure a lot of people was expecting, due to the fact that we started trending down right before the meeting. And then all of a sudden, once the meeting started, the stock started soaring, going crazy, right back through the roof. So it's a lot of choppiness, a lot of weirdness that's going on in the markets. I know, guys, and that's exactly what they want to do. They're trying to confuse you. They're trying to get you to buy in on the run-ups and then sell as soon as it starts to come back down. They're trying to confuse you, guys. So like I always say, you definitely want to be greedy during these times, because you is not going to be able to get another opportunity to load up on value companies at a very, very cheap price, guys. This isn't a fair price. This isn't a good price. This is a crazy cheap price that the stock market is offering right now. So, guys, this month already started off on the right foot. A lot of choppiness, some crazy swings to the upside and downside, but overall, we've been killing it this month. If we can end today up in the green, which I believe and think we will, and we already did the same on yesterday and the day before, we already starting this month off on the right foot. Even though it's a lot of choppiness, a lot of red to green, green to red, still we ending the days off on the right foots, guys. And like I told you guys, prepare for this. This was bound to happen. I seen it coming. And like I told you guys, the market wasn't going to go down too much lower. And always remember, the market trends up. The market is in a bullish sentiment for a way longer period of time than it ever will be in a bearish sentiment, guys. Being for the fact that we going into this new space of the market, because believe it or not, they is going to be changing the algorithm of the market. The market will not be nothing like you knew before. The market is going to continue to be weird. They will some days put the market on a normal market trajectory, meaning the market will trade how it normally would. We'll have different sectors and different areas of the market going in opposite directions, some consolidating. But overall, for a good period of time from now, I do believe they will have this market all mixed up, guys, meaning everything going in the same direction simultaneously to the upside, and doing the same thing coming down to the downside, until they could get enough retail investors to back up out of the market, guys. Then I believe the market will go back into a normal mode, normal state. But the market is very weird right now, guys. You definitely want to be conservative out there if you day trading or option trading. But if you're investing long term, you definitely want to be greedy, guys. And the way why you want to be conservative if you're trading is because the market is having mixed emotions right now. It's bullish one moment, bearish the next right now. So we know overall it's being bearish, but I'm saying right now, for the past few days, for the past, what I believe is to come, and I believe the market is about to go crazy to the upside, guys. You already been seeing the preview. It's already been happening back to back to back, and like I told you guys in the previous videos, just as much red days we've been seeing back to back to back, the green days coming just the same, and you already getting a preview. Monday green, Tuesday green, Wednesday green, Thursday green, Friday green, next week green, the week after that green, and it's going to be green, green, green. You probably get a couple red days in there, you know, just to try and throw you off your game. But that'll be it, guys, and you already know that's all your boy got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update, let you guys know. I know the haters in the back. I wonder what y'all got to say now. What you got to say now? Because your boy told you the market was about to turn around. You already know, man. That's all I got for you. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.